Hello everyone and welcome to GrowMo. Today we will talk about the one of the most interesting and trending topics running in the crypto world, that is metaverse. So I know that you must have heard this name, but here I will try to cover it in the more simplest way possible, and which three coins we should invest in metaverse right now if you really want to make use of this revolution. So I think this is one of the revolution which the we can see, like first the internet revolution and the web revolution. So this the metaverse will be the third revolution, and it's the perfect time to buy some of the best tokens if you really want to do in this. So basically, I will first let's talk about what is actual metaverse. So basically, in metaverse is something when you can able to interact with the 3D world by just having, like, everything can be virtual. Like you can create your own avatar, you can participate in games and win, you can buy a land and do some farming. So everything is possible in metaverse, which is basically giving a digital revolution and to the boundaries which between virtual world and us are right now is there. And Facebook is heavily investing in this metaverse. If you really want to make use of this, these three coins will definitely give you a massive return in the long term. It already gave many returns, but yes, it's one of the coin of metaverse is Decentraland, which already made a very good returns here. Now it's corrected some, but we will discuss many things, and we also discuss like what is the points we are going to highlight and what are the important points we'll be looking forward. So basically, if you really want to invest in this revolution, you have to be basically focused on three coins: Decentraland, Sandbox, and Engine Coin. But we will talk about one two lines here, and we are very short time, so that because whenever you invest, you should know like why you are investing. Then only when you there's some correction or the coin value falls, you will be confident that I don't have to sell because I know what's its real value. So it's very important. It won't take much of your time, but you have to be understood. So be patient, and let's first talk about Decentraland. And also I want to know, like, if you're first to this channel, new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because when you hit the like button subscribe, it gives us some motivation to make such more videos, and also feels good. So please hit the subscribe button if you're new to our channel. So let's talk about Decentraland. So basically, it's a crypto token which is based on the Bitcoin blockchain, and it also called as Mana. So what you can do is basically you can create your own community driven avatar. You can just like when in real world you we play go and casinos and win games. So also you can go to casino and play games, but in a virtual mode. So that's the main role of Decentraland, and I really have a positive bullish look at this token. Then this next is Sandbox, and so like the Mana works on the Decentraland, works on the Bitcoin, Sandbox works on the Ethereum blockchain. Sorry. So basically, like in Sandbox, yeah, it's a metaverse industry. It's based on Ethereum blockchain, and you can create your own virtual universe. So in which the developers can build games, sell items, and many relationships and entertainment you can do here. So basically, it's for buying and developing land. And then the third is Engine Coin. Is basically for gamers of this coin. The gamer industry is currently booming, and this blockchain token will help you in designing on your own games and play with your participants and your friends. So it's the Engine Coin. So these three coins will definitely give you massive, huge returns in future. It's not like that. I know that's recently it was a boom in this, and is already value is very high. But for the long term, this should be the investment. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button.